Yo, this man's posted up in a tree. Look at him.
I didn't even see him.
Gotta get content.
You got a sniper up there?
Oh, I see him.
A drum mag with 1,500 bullets is enough sniping I need.
But seriously, this will be extremely painful.
Remember this day, man, or it will be yours for all time.
What's up, guys and gals? You're watching Pew Pew Vids, and in today's video, I decided to climb a tree. The game mode is ALAMO, so there's 50 of us versus about 80 to 90 players. Our team can only rely on the 20 medics to get back in the game if we get hit. So my logic was, if nobody looks up, then I won't get hit.
I was about to say.
Alex, where are you going?
I don't think they know I'm here still. I don't think they know I'm here yet.
We're retreating. Why are we...
Yo. I think it's clear. I don't see anything. How long do you think it'll be before they see me? Got a lot of dead guys now. Oh, sorry. Oh, don't take tree. It eventually hit me.
Or not. I don't want to leave this place. It's so fluffy.
What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, please don't say that again. Yeah, typically when you can see me, you're gonna die. Well, that's a nice clip. I think so. Hi. I love you guys. Woo! Yes, sir. All right, now they know where I am. Time to retreat. Geronimo! Yes, sir. Even caught the glove. Wait. Come here.
I'll remember you though.
Go, 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 go. Ow, I'm your team, I think. That's fine. Yeah. My nuts hurt now.
Watch out, we got people right fucking there, right there.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Bro, that tree was so awesome.
Wow. With the time running out and plenty of us still holding it down in the bunker, our team pulled out the dub. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps get the videos out there. And most importantly, make sure you guys have a great day.